Hey, hello everyone and welcome back to Fun Mathology. Today's topic is how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Now, what is the basic difference between line segment and a line? In earlier lecture, we have seen that we have drawn a perpendicular on a line. The line is infinite, whereas a line segment is finite and has a length. For example, in this first case, we have been given a line segment of 8 centimeter. And on this line segment, we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Now, what is the meaning of bisector? Means a particular line which is going to divide another line into two equal halves, making the intersection angle at 90 degree. Got it? So, what is a perpendicular bisector? Means a perpendicular which is going to bisect this particular line segment. Means as here the line segment is 8 centimeter, it is going to divide it into 4 centimeter each. So in order to draw this, let's draw the line segment first. So take a scale and draw the line segment of 8 centimeter. So from this to this. So this is 8 centimeter. So let's name it as A, B, right? So the end point should be clearly marked because you need to point the compass at these points. Now, what you need to do? Take the compass, be very careful. It's a pointed needle at the end. So whenever students you're using this compass, be very careful. So take the compass and take the radius in such a way by pointing at any centers. Let's say I am pointing here at B. So take this radius more than the half. For example, here. So it is more than the half, see? So I'll be centering my compass in B. You can center at A also. We'll be centering at A also. But in order to take the radius more than the half of the given line segment, so let us point the center of the compass to B and measure the radius more than the half. See, and draw an arc here above and below like here. Got it? Don't change the radius. Take A as center. Take A as center and draw two intersecting arcs above and below. Got it? Mark the points clearly, the intersection point of the arcs clearly. Got it? Now join them. See, here is a point and here is the other point. So join them. Got it? So we'll just name them. So we'll name them as, let's say, here the intersection point is O. So we'll name as this point as P and this point as Q. Got it? So PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So we will write here PQ is perpendicular to AB. But what kind of perpendicular? It's a perpendicular bisector. So first of all, check it whether we have done it correctly or not. So check whether it's 90 degree. See, it's 90 degree. It's correct. Now measure the two halves AO and OB, whether they are 4 centimeter each or not. So you see, so each of the length is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So this is how you can draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Got it? I think it's clear. Now we'll move to the second construction. So in the earlier lectures, we have seen that we have left this one for this class. There is construction of a perpendicular at the end of a given line segment. So we have seen in the earlier lecture two types of construction. One was the construction of a perpendicular when the point lies on the given line and second one is when the point lies outside the given line. Got it? But here the construction of a perpendicular at the end of a given line segment. So let's take this line segment as an example, 8 centimeter, right? So go ahead and draw 8 centimeter. So we'll draw 8 centimeter as the line segment. Got it? We'll name it as A and B. Got it? Now, if I wish to draw the perpendicular at the end of the line segment, right? Let's say I wish to draw the perpendicular at the point A, right? So how to draw it? Let's see. Take the compass, take an appropriate radius like this, point A, center it at point A, right? Center it and draw an arc like this. Got it? Without changing the radius, right? See this point? Point it here in the intersection of this curve and the line segment here, and draw an arc intersecting this arc that we have just drawn. Got it? Take this point as the center here in the intersection point, right? Draw an arc here and another one is here. So we haven't changed the radius. So what we have done is, so we have drawn this radius. From the intersection point we have centered the compass and we have drawn this, and centering here we have drawn this and this. Again, centering into the second intersection, draw another arc so that it becomes an intersecting arc with the first one. Got it? So let us point this intersection point. So we have marked it. Now let's join this point A and this point B. Sorry, the point of intersection. So let's name it as C. So this CA will be perpendicular to AB. So CA will be perpendicular to AB. So whenever you draw, just check it out whether you have drawn correctly or not. Got it? So see, it's 90 degree, right? So follow the same process if you need to draw the perpendicular on the other end. For example, B. You can draw in a same way. So take this arc, I'll show it. Take this arc, same radius. Same radius, do not change the radius, and draw an arc like here. From the intersection point where the arc is intersecting within the line segment, so draw, cut the arc here and centering here, cut the arc at the second point and draw an arc here. So from the second intersection point, draw an intersection arc above, right? Again, let's point it out, mark it, and let's name it as D. Join B and D. So let's join B and D. Got it? So here BD will be perpendicular to AB. So just check it out. Just check it out. Got it? See, it's 90 degree. So these are the two things. First of all, you have learned, I have shown you how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. The line segment is of finite length, so you'll be given a line segment of finite length and you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. It is very easy, right? And obviously I have shown you the construction of a perpendicular at the end of a given line segment. I think you have followed my lecture today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll meet soon. Bye bye.